Cynet pricing explained what you get for your money. Cynet is a leading cybersecurity platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is one size fits all. The surprising truth is that Cynet's pricing depends on the number of endpoints, required features, and support levels. For small to medium businesses, Cynet offers packages starting at around $2 per endpoint per month. This includes essential threat detection, automated response, and continuous monitoring. You won't believe how comprehensive this is. Features like automated investigation, endpoint detection and response, and cloud security integration are all bundled in, which typically costs extra with other providers. Enterprise plans are custom priced and provide additional layers like SOC as a service, advanced analytics, and compliance reporting. Most people get this wrong by comparing only base rates. They often overlook how these advanced services reduce the need for an in-house security team, ultimately saving money. In conclusion, Cynet pricing is flexible and scalable. By understanding endpoint-based costs, included security features and optional enterprise services, you go from zero to pro in budgeting your cybersecurity without sacrificing protection.